Hello everyone, welcome to the April edition of the Wave Leadership College Splash, our monthly update about everything that's happening here. I'm very excited once again this year. Wave Leadership College has been the recipient of a generous contribution for our Operation Graduation campaign. We have been gifted a $25,000 matching grant. For every dollar received between April 6th and graduation on May 20th, up to $25,000 will be matched for a grand total of $50,000. This is a key fundraising component of our program and helps continue to keep our tuition costs low and affordable. We're committed to maintaining excellence at an affordable price. And thanks to generous donors like you, I pray that all of you will contribute towards this Operation Graduation campaign beginning April 6th.
We are really excited about graduation coming up. It comes up every year around this time. Students are finishing up their schoolwork, getting ready for their final exams, and getting ready to invite their friends and family to celebrate with them the accomplishment of earning their degree. We are looking forward to giving out those degrees on May 20th. This year is the first year we will be offering graduation during our 6 p.m. service. We really look forward to having President Kelly with us and all of our faculty and staff and friends and family and church members attending our graduation ceremony this year to celebrate all the accomplishments. Another exciting thing coming up for our students, our donors, our alumni, our friends and family is a night at the baseball park together. We will be renting out picnic space on May 15th. Between 6 and 8 is picnic time, and then the game will continue on into however many innings it goes.
Hopefully extra innings, am I right?
Right. Go Tides with our peanuts and Cracker Jacks. It's actually all you can eat. Hot dogs, hamburgers. I've ordered some peanuts and Cracker Jacks, so hopefully we'll see some of those. But we're just going to be getting together, having our own section to sit and eat and watch the game together and just again celebrate all the things that we've accomplished this semester. We would love for you to join us.
You know what else I'm excited about? Not just baseball, which is great. It's America's pastime. I'm also excited about the advancements that have been brought about for our curriculum for the fall. So this fall, as we launch the Christian Scholarship track and the Worship Leadership track, we're going to be offering songwriting taught by our very own Dave Hummel, who has an incredible resume of experience working for Sony Music, writing songs for worship. His experience is second to none. We're really thrilled that he's going to be teaching our songwriting class in the fall. In addition to that, for those of you who are amateur Bible scholars, we will be offering Intro to Biblical Greek. This is the first time we've offered this course at Wave Leadership College. We're really excited to be able to present to our students, those of you at Wave Church and in Hampton Roads who might be interested in learning the foundations of the language in which the New Testament was written. We're offering that this fall. Can't wait and hope that you'd consider taking that course with us. Summertime, we've got some fun stuff for the kids, don't we, Dean Hummel?
We do. We are bringing back our YouTube summer camp for ages 7 through 17. Students get to use the real equipment that professionals use, and they're going to end up with a 3-minute video that's professional enough to put on YouTube if they wish. We love working with those campers. They have such great ideas. They're so creative. This year, because it's such a high demand, we're going to have 2 different weeks. On June 15th is our first week, and that's really going to be geared towards beginners. And then we'll start the next week, June 25th, where you'll be able to get into intermediate work. And students can do the beginner week and then come and do the intermediate week. So we really encourage you to go to our website, get registered, and bring your kids out to YouTube Summer Camp. Well, thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah.
I'm Derek.
Signing off.
Hi, I'm Kieran Hummel, the Admissions Director. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, at Wave College on Instagram and Twitter, and for upcoming events, check out our website at wavecollege.edu.